Welcome, loyal viewers. I am happy to be here to comment on the greatness of the USS Dwight D. Eisenhower, which is currently carrying out flight operations in the Middle East region. This aircraft carrier, with all its power and advanced technology, is a symbol of United States naval power. With the presence of the USS Dwight D. Eisenhower in the middle of the region, we can see how important its role is in maintaining stability and security. On every flight mission, the ship is the center of air power that ensures the readiness and resilience of the U.S. Navy worldwide. Apart from being a symbol of military strength, the USS Dwight D. Eisenhower is also a representation of close cooperation and partnership between the ship's crew and partner countries in the region. The passion and dedication of the crew members reflects a determination to protect the values of peace and freedom. Let's witness together the greatness of the USS Dwight D. Eisenhower in every step as a driver of security and stability in this region. May their courage provide inspiration for us all. Manama, Bahrain. The Dwight D. Eisenhower Carrier Strike Group, IKCSG, arrived in the Middle East as part of the increase in regional posture, Nauwerster 4. The strike group is commanded by Carrier Strike Group, CSG-2, and comprised of flagship aircraft carrier USS Dwight D. Eisenhower, CVN-69, guided missile cruiser USS Philippine Sea, CG-58, guided missile destroyers USS Mason, DDG-87, and USS Gravely, DDG-107, of Destroyer Squadron Desron 22, Carrier Air Wing, CVW-3, with its 9 squadrons, and the Information Warfare Commander. Dwight D. Eisenhower, Philippine Sea, and Mason entered the Red Sea after transiting from the Mediterranean Sea through the Suez Canal, November 4. CSGs bring to the region additional aviation and naval assets, providing greater flexibility and maritime capability to U.S. Fifth Fleet. The arrival of IKXG to Middle East region displays our speed and agility to flex as our nation's leaders determined a balance of maritime capability in support of national security priorities, said Rear Adm. Mark Miguez, Commander, CSG-2, IKCSG. The strike group brings an unparalleled combat superiority to CENTCOM, and we will be leveraging our presence in the theater to enhance regional security and operate alongside our allies and partners. Squadrons of CVW-3 include the Gunslingers of Strike Fighter Squadron, VFA-105, the Fighting Swordsmen of Strike Fighter Squadron, VFA-32, the Rampagers of Strike Fighter Squadron, VFA-83, the Wildcats of Strike Fighter Squadron, VFA-131, the Screwtops of Carrier Airborne. Early Warning Squadron, VAW-123, the Zappers of Electronic Attack Squadron, VAQ-130, the Dusty Dogs of Helicopter Sea Combat Squadron, HSC-7, the Swamp Foxes of Helicopter Maritime Strike Squadron, HSM-74, and the Rawhides of Fleet Logistics Support Squadron, VRC-40. IKCSG units departed their home ports of Norfolk, Virginia, and Mayport, Florida, on Octoditer 13 and 14 for a scheduled deployment. The U.S. Fifth Fleet area of operations encompasses approximately 2.5 million square miles of water space and includes the Arabian Gulf, Gulf of Oman, Red Sea, parts of the Indian Ocean, and 3 critical choke points at the Strait of Hormuz, Suez Canal, and Strait of Bab al-Mandeb.
two guns for me and two guns for him. Right here. You should have a white pen on the floor too. Hey.
I'll see you on easy. I'm turning the one room. I'm not moving airplane.
He's in the window. I'm like, yo, what's going on? Forward to him. Of course, yo, they're posing on the phone. Forward to him.
Yeah.
I like PC forward to him.
Tracking shuttle, Cat 4, stay up there.